tonight we're preparing some corned beef and sweet corn. First, what I'm going to do is heat some oil, and then I'm going to add some onion, some scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, and some green bell peppers. I'm going to saute that while I open the can. So the key comes like this. You take the key off, right? Put it upside down, and then turn. If you don't do it this way, it's gonna seem impossible to open. So after we open it to the same pot with the sauteed vegetable, we're gonna add the corned beef. Usually in America, no, this is not necessary, so we're gonna skip that part. So we're gonna use a fork to break the corned beef apart, and then we're gonna combine the corned beef with the sauteed vegetable, just to incorporate all that flavor to the corned beef. So you guys can also add a little ketchup, or you can add some tomato paste. And guys, you can use the vegetable of your choice, because some persons like their scallion and their garlic and all that, but I'm just using those seasoning. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some sweet corn. I'm not going to add the entire can, I'm just going to add about half of it, because I think that ratio is good. Then I'm going to add some black pepper to the pot, and then I am going to saute that for a couple more minutes. So after I combine everything together, I am then going to go ahead and cover the pot and let it marinate. Well, I'm not gonna say steam, because I'm not gonna let it steam. I'm just gonna cover the pot for maybe like 2 more minutes, and then I am going to turn it off. And that is how quick and easy this dish is. I'm sharing the hash.
Food porridge. Brooklyn, yeah? How much are these?
Fix it.